What's happening, everyone? My name is Adrian and welcome back to What the Pun. So to start off with, I'd just like to wish you all a very happy new year, happy 2022. Wishing you all a very strong, healthy new year. So in regards to myself and What the Pun, what's been happening? Yes, I've been absent. I've not really posted any videos in a long time, and I don't have a fancy excuse. It isn't because I went on some fancy holiday, and no, it's not because I bought a new car and just decided to ignore life on the YouTube channel side of things. No, it's because I just needed a break. I just needed to stop for a bit and just relax and chill for a bit, because you know, life and work, it all catches up to you at some point. So I just needed a break and then come back. So yes, I'm back. So in regards to today's video, it's just a quick update in regards to what you can all look forward to. To start off with, what do we have? The MK5 Golf GTI. Yes, the MK5 Golf GTI, it's coming along, and for those of you that's not been following the build or the progress of the MK5 Golf GTI, basically to start off with, it's a very cheap MK5 Golf GTI that I picked up. The purpose of it is to get it back onto the roads, and then also put on some performance enhancements, totally get it, you know, at the point where it's just as fast as a Golf R or a Mark7 Golf GTI, you know, and without having to spend the amount of money I'll need to buy one of those. So if that's of interest to you, make sure you subscribe and keep an eye out for videos to come on the Golf GTI as well. And not only am I doing performance bits on the Golf GTI, there are other small videos I'll be working on with that car as well, so stay tuned. Next up, also I have content, well, I'm working on content on electric cars. And yes, for those that have been watching the channel, I do videos on electric cars because it's the future, and you know, just to give you all an insight as to what the current state of the technology is and how that affects, you know, us as consumers basically. So next video I have up in regards to electric cars is just an update on the Volkswagen ID3 and ID4 range, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested. And hopefully I will also be doing another experience video, review video on a electric car I'll be taking out at some point soon, hopefully. Depends on the delivery date, but keep an eye on that. Okay. Lastly, I'll also be doing some other small videos, tips and tricks on some detailing stuff, so that is coming soon as well. I just need to sort of plan and see what the schedule looks like each week to try and fit everything in at the moment. So yeah, quite a few things coming up, but got my work cut out, but I'll try and get everything on time to the best of my ability. Anyways, like I said, this is just a quick update in regards to what you can all look forward to in the weeks to come. And if you have any suggestions in regards to what you would like to see on the YouTube channel, then please feel free to drop your comment in the box down below. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. So I will see you all next time. Thank you for tuning in today. Wish you all a very blessed and happy new year. Take care. Bye bye.